Hi and welcome to this video. In this video, we will talk about how to save an email and attach it in the new Outlook. So as you can see on my screen, I have here the new Outlook open and I have this message here in Outlook. I hide the other emails for security reasons. In general, if you want to save a new email or an email that you're writing, you will find here on the top bar, you will find something about saving. But um, in the case of emails that we received or we already sent, so you need to go to these three dots here. And I'm going to highlight it. So it's here. And here you can find save as, and you have to save it as an EML. And I'm gonna save it as an EML. I will save it in the downloads folder. And the name is the subject of the email, so save. And I have here on the bottom another email that's open. And now let's attach to what we saved already. So we can browse this computer. And then let's go to the downloads folder. And here we have the email that we have just saved. And we can open, and as you see here, we saved and attached the email to a new email in Outlook. That's all for today. If you have a question, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.